selling digital products. Watch this before you choose. Today we are comparing Gumroad and Payhip. Both platforms let you sell digital products online. You can sell ebooks, courses, templates, and more. Let's start with Gumroad. Gumroad is simple and creator focused. You can quickly upload a product and start selling. It's great for beginners and solo creators. Now Payhip. Payhip is also simple but gives more control. You can build a storefront, offer memberships, and sell courses. It's better if you want a bit more structure. Here's the main difference. Gumroad is faster and more minimal. Payhip offers more features and flexibility. Looking at features, Gumroad offers easy setup, product hosting, and basic analytics. Payhip offers storefront customization, memberships, courses, and more control. In terms of pricing, Gumroad takes a higher fee per sale, especially on free plans. Payhip usually has lower transaction fees depending on your plan. In terms of experience, Gumroad feels simpler and quicker. Payhip feels more like a full store. So Gumroad is better for quick and simple selling. Payhip is better for building a more complete digital store. So which one should you choose? Choose Gumroad if you want to launch fast with no complexity. Choose Payhip if you want more features and lower fees over time. Both are great. It depends on how you want to sell. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.